Hello and welcome back to the shed. I've just got a quick one for you this time. I've just come back from me holidays. Been over in the UK visiting family and friends, and particularly excellent trip. Got to go to the Masham Steam Fair, and while I was there I met up with Andrew from Model Engineering Adventures. Spent an afternoon with him and the lovely Michelle, and that was fantastic. Talked many engines, and I got to look around his shop and see all the engines that he'd built. So that was great. And then while at the Masham Steam Fair, met up with Paul from Haxby Shed and Mr. Tweed, who kindly came all the way up to visit with us, and we had a wonderful day. Now it chucked it down with rain. It was literally huzzing it down all day, and so that did put an actual damper on the, or a dampener on the festivities. But nevertheless had a fantastic time. So what I've got for you today is just a look at some of the traction engines and stationary engines that we saw at Masham, and a little bit of footage of the few vehicles that managed to get into the town. Usually at Masham there's a run, all the traction engines fire up and run into town and go to the town square. Unfortunately, couldn't happen this year because the fields were so muddy that they were going to get churned up, I think, if people tried to get out. So not the full show, but a very good show. We had a really fantastic time. So take a look at some still pictures and a few little bits of movie shots of some of the engines. It's only a very short video, but I know a lot of you will be interested in what was there. So that's what I've got for you. Beyond that, just welcome to all new subscribers. I've had an uptick in subscribers lately, which is fantastic. Reminder that there will be a giveaway when I cross the 5,000 mark, and I've got a Tangent Engineering burnishing tool to give away. And just a reminder that if you would like a channel sticker, just reach out to me here and I will send you one. You don't have to have a channel or anything. If you would like a sticker, you can have one. Simple as that. So that's it for now. Enjoy watching this very short piece of film footage from the Steam Rally, and as always, may your dimensions be in tolerance and your surface finishes chatter free. Be seeing you.